Canva just changed content creation forever. Instead of wasting hours searching through generic stock footage, you can now generate your own custom AI videos from a simple text prompt in seconds. And yes, this was all made inside Canva. You just type a sentence and the AI creates stunning AI videos instantly. Let me show you how it works. I'm in Canva, and I'm going to create a new project. Have you ever spent hours looking through hundreds of videos trying to find the perfect content? You already have an idea of exactly what you want, right? But you need to save time. That's what I'm going to show you how to do today. I've already got this YouTube thumbnail open, so I'll use this for my project. Next, I'm going to come down here to Magic Media. If you don't have this already over here, all you have to do is come over here to Apps, click on that, then type it in right up here. There it is, Magic Media. So you can make images, graphics, videos, or 3D. So let's make videos today. So click on that, and here's where you actually put your information. Since I have an idea already, I'll put my prompt right here. It's a close-up of candles on a wooden spa table with flickering flames, a warm glow, the background is slightly blurred, it's a cozy spa atmosphere. If you need to make changes, you can click here. Now I'm going to click on Generate. We'll come back here when it's done to see the final product. Check this out. If you hover your mouse over it, you can actually see it moving. I'll click on it and put it right there. Let's watch it. Nice. Lastly, I'll add my logo here since I was going to use this for a business. Next, I'll download it like this. Go to Share, come here to Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, choose 1080, and click Download. Let's make another one. Oh, let's make another one. I'll come up here and add a page. Now I'm going to scroll down. I'll clear this out first. So here's my prompt. Close-up of coffee pouring into an empty coffee mug, steam rising, warm, soft lighting, cafe background. Now I'll click on Generate. In just a minute, I'll come back here when it's ready. So there it is. You can see the steam and everything, even the customers moving in the back. I'll be using it for a customer with a coffee shop. Here's the store logo. Coffee Madness. I'll change it all to white. Now let's watch it as it's playing. This would be perfect for her social media. Now we'll download it. This time, I'm going to do something different. Instead of working with text only, I'm going to also add an image. Let me show you. I'm going right up here to this area, and I'm going to look for this button that says Generate. I'll click on that, and I want you to look at this. These are all the things that you can choose to make. I'm going to choose Video, so click on Video, and then click on this button to add an image to work from. There's my image. Then I'm going to add in my prompt. Here it is. Close-up of hands holding a pen, writing in a notebook. Sunlight streams in from a nearby window onto the desk. Coffee cup sits nearby. Okay, remember I've already chosen video, so check here to just make sure. In just a minute or so, this will be ready. We'll come back when it's done. Okay, there it is. So let's watch it. If you scroll over it, you can see the hand is actually writing on the paper. Now I'll put it over here like that. It's not exactly what I asked for, but it's pretty close. I could regenerate it if I wanted to, but right now that's close enough and will work perfectly for what I need. The next thing I'll do is add my logo. Imagine this is promoting a writing class for adults. All right, I like that. The next thing I'll do is go up here to Share, then click on Download. Choose Current Page, click Done, and then Download again. Now it's actually downloading it. There we go. Any of these could easily be put on your social media, on your website, etc. You could use these for business ads. If you have some kind of product you're trying to sell, you could easily use these mini videos to promote all kinds of things. Best of all, they're exactly the picture you wanted, instead of spending hours and hours looking through stock photos or videos. So I highly encourage you to come here and try this out for yourself. Come here to Canva and Magic Media and check out this video tool. Create your own custom videos here and see if it saves you any time. And I think you'll really enjoy the process. Have fun experimenting.
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.